I will tell you about how can I get to Pare. Firstly, all Indonesian people knew about the Kampung English. I usually searching about Kampung English. This is why with the internet such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. This is how the way I can get the Pare. I start searching to the Pare. This is last year's goal to search the courses in the Pare. Why? Because in the Pare is many courses, such as institution of Webster and another institution. Another institution such as is Brilliant, IELTS, and another institution is many in the Pare. The place in the Pare is divided into, firstly, the camps, courses, and the second, this is the boarding house. The camp, this is there's the rule who stay in their place. This is the rule such as to English area, to speaking in the class, and the boarding house, none of English area. Why? This is different camp or boarding house. The camp fee, this is reachable cost than another place, such as like in the cities area, like Jakarta, Surabaya, Bandung, Java is. This is more expensive here than the cities place like that. So you must come to the Pare and enjoy us with following the courses in the Pare. Study English, you can study German, you can study Turkish, you can study Mandarin language. Each our language are here in the Pare, so you must come here. According to my opinions, Webster has the good courses in the Pare. Why? Webster has a complete facility, such as in this area. This is the role how to improve our language in the Webster. And second, it has many facilities, such as Wi-Fi, food stores beside the courses, cafe, Webster, and the courses have the cafe. And then complex programs in the Webster, such as we study all about language in the Webster. In the morning we study about vocabulary, and after that we study about grammar. After grammar we study about writing. After writing we study about the reading. Now in the second programs, our leader reading, our tutors reading is Mr. right now. This is my tutor is Mr. right now, and there are my friends. Now we're following until 3 months of programs. We are graduated from the government of Aceh. And my opinions, Webster is the best courses in the Pare. Why, my brother? Studying Webster is very fun and enjoying, my brother. You must listen closely to my speaking and my words. This is now my speaking is very slowly and relaxed. All people now understand about my speaking. The tutor in the Webster course, this is humble person, kind person, and patient when they teach us. Although we are not happy to their rule, although we make ourselves rule, they are very patient, humble, and care about us. Until now, we all have enjoyed study. We study like the relaxation. We study, this is similar to we are is vacation. We study in Webster. This is similar to with the holiday. This is nice in the class and nice when going to anywhere. We have studied here about program, and we have on vacation in the 2 weeks in Oman and the 4 weeks of Oman. We have a vacation all about our Chinese people. My name is Mr. Nur Azmi. Some of my friends call me Buya, and tonight call me Buya. This is my story this day. However, you must tell all my friends this place is very nice for people. According conclusions from my speaking, how get to Pare, and my moral message to all people who watching my speaking. All Indonesians knew about the kampung English. They start to say things with the internet such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube. This is the way how get to Pare. And in Pare it has divided into place boarding house and camps area. That's all my speaking this evening about how I can get to Pare. So I hope you understand my speaking and correct my wrongs in my speaking. See you next time. That's all from my explain how get to Pare and my moral message to you all. See you in the next video. I will be YouTuber. Now I'm speaking. I make video about second program. See you. I was touch you just now, mister. Oh, you don't hear me? Okay, I will remember and repeat that. Yes, I will give you about my message. How get to Pare? Firstly, all people in Indonesia knew how to get to the Pare, such as they knew with the internet. This is the firstly, and secondly, in the Pare divided into two places. Firstly, camp area, and secondly is about boarding house. This has good two divided the place in and the border in the Pare. And thirdly, no, I will not close my. This is not finished. It's about my talking this evening. And thirdly, this is in the Pare. You must do the Webster course. This is very best and the better the courses in the Pare. The tutor is very enjoying, like our brother. This is like my brother is Mr. Right now. This is my tutor, but he's like my brother here. So you must choose and going here to the Pare and choose the Webster course. Okay? That's it. Finish all my speaking. A few about my moral message from my speaking. See you next time. Oh, this is my friend. It's Mr. Secretary. Some of us call Mr. Sec. That is Mr. Ali. Okay, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.